How do I decide what maintenance to do to my car? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So first of all, you can start by looking at the owner's manual and see what the factory recommendations are. There's typically going to be a couple of different levels in there. There's going to be normal service and severe service. Most people in most climates are actually going to be under the severe service. Secondly, find a shop that you trust and then listen to their advice, because sometimes those factory recommendations aren't quite frequent enough if you're planning on keeping your car a long time. Then the third thing you always got to consider is your budget. So you might have to prioritize and decide what maintenance you want to do or don't do, and how long you keep the car is going to affect that as well. So there's a lot of variables in determining what maintenance to do, but getting as much information as possible and making the best decision for you is the best way to go about it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.